Okay, folks, welcome back to another Juniper Mountain Tech Tip. Today we are talking just general tips and tricks to make your life easier and make you faster than the guy next to you. So this one will help a lot of y'all who work at big firms with lots of servers, lots of folders. It's a very overlooked, easy to use tip. So let's imagine we are going to open a file. We'll go to File, Open. Did you know you can customize the file shown over here? You can add folders, you can remove folders. So let's say hypothetically you are going to be working on a project repeatedly, for several days, weeks, months, whatever. You can come to the folder, you can add it here. So the next time you come in here, you save this, File, Open, and instead of navigating 14 folders to find the drawing you're looking for, boom, you hit Fernando's residence and you're there. This will save you a lot of time. It's easy to customize. These can be ordered any way you want them. And if the project's done and over, it can also be removed and replaced with the next one on your list. Hope that helps.